All right, so today the difference being not quite the beautiful day that we've had the last few, but temperatures are still running on the warm side. We're in the low 70s in a few spots in our forecast area. Some areas in the upper 60s, like in the bluegrass, where the clouds are just a little bit thicker. But if we can get those to break up, and they're trying to, we're trying to get that mixing going. And once it finally does, then we can have those temperatures shoot back up to the mid or even upper 70s this afternoon. Nothing on the max track, at least over us, but you can see a little bit of shower activity out there near Cumberland and Metcalfe County. Those two spots seeing just a little bit of shower activity with the warm front that's lifting. It's weak, but it at least is something to drive in at least a few showers in some of our southern counties. And look how they're fizzling out over the last hour or so. But then you go out towards the west. Much different story. The cold front with the storm system driving big showers and thunderstorms, a big line of showers and thunderstorms in areas that have had days of severe weather. Now they're dealing with rain on top of that. Not a good situation for those areas. And then the big picture showing you just how massive this storm system is. Big spin of the low over South Dakota. A lot of snow on the back end of this system driving in from that cold air from Canada. A lot of rain activity over North Dakota. And then you see the big cold front stretching all the way down into Mexico. So all the way from Canada to Mexico, the storm stretches. High pressure, though, is what's been keeping us free of everything. It's actually what's been sending that storm north. So as the cold front gets close to us, it doesn't quite make it. We get the cloud coverage from it, sure, but not the rain. It's not until we get this secondary cold front that's going to be here late in the week, overnight Friday into Saturday, and that's the one that brings in both the rain and that big fall-like chill. And I say chill because it's going to take a 20-degree drop. 80 to 60 is a big shock to the system. It may not be cold by any stretch of the imagination, but it certainly feels a lot cooler when you work in that cooler air. So for tonight, because of the warm front lifting, we do have a small chance for some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms scattered in our northern counties. So if you live in the bluegrass all the way up to the Ohio River, you have just a small chance. Most of this comes through scattered and breaks apart overnight tonight. Then we're just cloud coverage with maybe some light drizzle throughout the day tomorrow, especially in our eastern counties. But it's not going to be until we get to Friday, especially Friday evening, that better chance for rain will get here as the cold front starts to slide in. So this is Friday in the morning for mainly our western counties or I-65 counties. But then getting into the later part of the day, there you go. Better chances for rain and thunderstorms. Big cold front coming through. So keep in mind that while these numbers will increase throughout that time frame, going all the way until Saturday afternoon, they will continue to increase primarily for the bluegrass. So it looks like 1/4 of an inch, but we'll likely be closer to 3/4 of an inch with this rainfall coming through. So for the rest of today, it's a slow breaking up of the clouds. And if we do get more sun than clouds by the end of the day, we could get to 77. If we don't, likely more around 71, 72 this afternoon, but we'll just see how it plays out. Overnight tonight will be mostly cloudy, but temperatures in the mid 60s, a little bit warmer than where we were yesterday because of that cloud coverage. Now on Thursday, we'll be partly to mostly cloudy with a little bit of a breakup in the action, except for that little bit of drizzle possible. Friday night, Saturday morning, and then throughout the day on Saturday, the showers, the thunderstorms, and then the cold air pours in. That 20-degree drop from near 80 to near 60 all the way throughout the day on Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll start that slow climb back out of the 60s, but it's going to be a while. We at least get sunshine to go along with it.